loved looking at the clouds. They weren't just fluffy white blobs to her. They were giant canvases waiting to be painted on. Every day she'd lie on her back in the grass, tracing shapes with her finger. A galloping horse, a friendly dragon, a wiggly worm. One particularly windy day, Lulu noticed something peculiar. The clouds were swirling and shifting faster than usual, almost like someone was stirring a giant bowl of whipped cream. Suddenly, a bright blue streak shot across the sky, leaving a shimmering trail in its wake. Curious, Lulu grabbed a pair of binoculars from her dad's shed. Peeking through the lenses, she gasped. There, riding a fluffy white cloud shaped like a sheep, was a tiny person in a paint-splattered smock. The person held a giant brush, dipping it into a rainbow-coloured pot hanging from the sheep cloud's belly. "A cloud painter," Lulu whispered, her eyes wide with wonder. The cloud painter twirled their brush, creating a streak of golden light across the sky. Then, with a few careful strokes, they painted a playful dolphin leaping through waves made of smaller clouds. Lulu watched in awe as the cloud painter brought the sky to life. A mischievous monkey swinging on vines, a majestic hot air balloon, a sparkling castle with candy cane turrets, each creation more fantastical than the last. As the sun began to set, the cloud painter dipped their brush in a pot of glittering silver paint. Across the canvas of the sky, they painted a beautiful, twinkly night sky with shooting stars. "Wow!" Lulu whispered, a smile spreading across her face. Looking down, she saw a single soft paintbrush lying in the grass. It must have fallen from the cloud painter. Holding the brush in her hand, Lulu closed her eyes and imagined. Maybe, just maybe, she could be a cloud painter too. And so, Lulu spent the rest of her days creating her own cloud masterpieces, her dreams taking flight alongside the fluffy shapes in the sky.